Hello everyone, my name is Claude from Bow&Stern, and today I'd like to demo you our newest AI demo. Now, for this use case, I'm going to be the supervisor, and I'm supervising an operation happening at the bioreactor. This bioreactor is going to be connected to our MES system, in this case Tulip, and to our historian system, which in this case is going to be TDengine. Now, as you can see here, as a supervisor, I got notified that we have a pH exception in a specific process order. So I came to Claude, our AI, and asked it to bring all of these exceptions to me so that I can see them clearly. So it brought in those exceptions, and you can see them right here. It shows it in a nice dashboard, and I can really analyze and understand where these exceptions come from. As a supervisor, the next thing I want to do is really understand why these exceptions happen. So I'm going to ask them the following thing. Find a possible root cause for the pH spikes across these orders. Let's send it off. This is because I want to understand exactly why these exceptions happen so I can mitigate them and even stop operations to save money and to save loss from procedures. So as you can see here, the way the AI works, it is connected to these systems outside. So it's going to get to Tulip, list table records to understand all the data it needs to, understand the different tables. It's also going to go to the historian and query data from these specific process orders so I can really analyze it and understand exactly why these spikes occurred. As you can see here, it's querying the data that it needs and thinks that is relevant. There we go. Now, just to make sure that everyone understands, the reason this is so powerful is because as a supervisor, what I'd have to do if there was an exception nowadays is I'd have to go to all of these systems on my own, find all these problems, analyze everything separately, and I don't have anyone to bring it all into one place. So this is where the AI comes into place. Claude brings everything, all of these systems into one place for me, the supervisor, to come in and ask any question I want to about all the data I have in these systems. And as you can see, it brings everything here and analyze it for me. And you'll also be able to see now that it will create a dashboard explaining the findings. So let's wait and see. And there we go. In just under 2 minutes, we have our root cause analysis. As you can see, it found a correlation between the contaminated raw materials we used in this bioreactor demo and the container and the supplier where it came from, and gave us and it gives me the findings. So there we go. It saved me a ton of time. Instead of having to go to all of these systems, understand where everything's coming from, it puts everything into one place. And just in under 2 minutes, I have this dashboard showing me all of the possible findings, which I can now come and analyze and even send forward to the relevant people, saving even more because I can maybe stop operations and stop further escalations of anything bad happening. So there we go.